Okay, good morning guys. So we just woken up at about, okay, now it's about 9. Then we just want to get out of here as soon as possible. Yeah, okay. Then if you can see, or if I can show you the view. Hang on. Let me come outside a bit. It's raining now, so it's really a bit chilly. But if you can see the view behind you. Yeah, it's the view. And then I don't know if you can see, but there are like waterfalls, and those white color streaks are all waterfalls. Don't know by the rain or by the ice. And then yeah, highest packing. Then we're gonna get out of here lah. Gonna see gonna see if the cruise is worth going. So yeah, stay tuned. Milford Sound, the very end of it. So this is what it looks like. We're still thinking whether I want to take the cruise because it's like all misty and stuff. It's a bit raining. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay guys, in the end we decided to go for the cruise lah. Like Bokoleng come so far already, then never do it lah. Yeah lah. And so yeah, we're now walking towards the boat terminal. It's over there. And then yeah, it's a 2 hour 15 minutes boat ride, so we'll finish by 12. If you're by 12, probably reach Queenstown by about 3 plus. Yeah, so we really just want to get out of here because it's like barren. It's like freaking barren land. But yeah, I mean, come here just for the experience of. Yeah, we'll catch you on the cruise. Alright, we are at the boat terminal already. And then we are waiting to board and start our cruise. So start the cruise, then pass in, come back, then GTFO from here, man. Okay lah, this place not bad lah. Don't say so shit like that. Just that we got a bit of shock because like we never prepared for it. Yeah, hopefully the cruise is good lah. Hey guys, you can see from outside we're leaving for the cruise. And then yeah, we're starting already. So yes. Okay, so after finishing our coffee and tea, then we will head up to the top deck. Coffee tea or GTFO. Yeah, okay, then yeah, then we will head for the top deck. We will go and see the outside. Guys,
but not only that, it does generate all our electricity here in Milford also. Through a
Hey guys, it's raining quite heavily. Okay, so we're trying to just quickly get the videos before we head back in. Okay guys, so we got this like car water, right? It's like natural from the waterfall one. So we are going to try it. It's a bit yellowish, but they say like it goes through all the minerals and stuff.
But also here, we have these white streaks.
It's just water actually, to be honest.
Any miner would tell you, where you see quartz, you can
Can't go up, then to head up. Oh, it's freaking cold. It's really freaking cold. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is pretty much the main view that you get. You just see waterfall. Okay lah, but it's quite a good view. It's just that for 2 hour 15 minute tour is a bit long and because you're seeing mainly the same things. So yeah. Okay guys, so we are now heading through this like bumpy region. You guys say like it's like yeah, we're gonna experience what it's like. Oh, cannot stay inside, cannot block this.
So folks, I will point out one thing. You might notice that the water has changed colour. Now that's because the ratio between salt water and fresh water has changed. Now, as you can imagine, with all these big sea swells, the water, it gets mixed up a lot better. So therefore, the fresh water, being the lighter water sitting on top inside the fjord, gets churned up here and dissipates.
Look at the actually okay, nothing much like not very bumpy. Whoa. Okay, a bit loud. Nothing. Yeah. Is there anything? I don't know, I don't feel the bump though. Okay, have a bit. Okay lah, not so bad. Okay lah, quite ahead. Oh, we're out in the sea already, guys. Quite fun lah, to be honest, but that's about everything. So see you soon, guys. Okay, guys. Where did he go? No. Okay, guys. So apparently, like the dolphins only appear like 3 or 4 times a month. Sometimes they don't even come at all. So yeah, we're quite lucky today, so no regrets.
Now we are pretty lucky to be seeing them nowadays, given the fact that in the 1800s, this is what brought people like Grono and other Welsh and English settlers in this area, was their furs. They're almost...
Okay guys, we finished the cruise and we're heading back to the car to head out of here. Okay lah, actually the cruise is worth it lah if you come all the way here already. Yeah, but like if you can, like don't stay here for the night. So you just come for the day tour and then like get out of here. So yeah, the cruise was not too bad, but for 2.5 hours, 2 hours 15 minutes, it's okay lah, to and fro lor. Yeah, for the return trip and everything. So it's quite informative. The guy was pretty good. So yeah, like what I said, cause today we quite lucky. So no regrets. Yeah. Okay, time to head out of here. Okay guys, so we are on the way to Queenstown. But then we decided to stop by this place called the Chasm, or however you pronounce it lah. So I'm just going to take a quick look before we leave and then see what it's like over here. So yeah, guys, we're walking back from the Chasm now. If you can see behind us, that's pretty much what the Chasm is. As in, okay lah, I was expecting like, I don't know. Okay lah, nothing much lah actually. It's just a platform and like nature place. Pretty much like the whole of Milford, or Fiordland if you call it, or as they call it. So yeah, I mean, since you're here, right, why not just take a look? And then yeah, now we're on our way back to the car and we will continue our drive now to Te Anau first and then over to Queenstown. Yep.
Okay guys, we just finished pumping petrol at Te Anau and now we're on our way to Queenstown.
Yeah, we're on our way to Queenstown and it's raining.
Yep.
So hopefully over there the weather clears up. Again, this is the road that we are driving on. Yeah.
Seating as usual but rain so yeah, hopefully it's better at Queenstown now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay guys, so we just reached this place called Kingston. For the remaining of the route, we'll pass by this like water body lah. So we just stopped to take a photo first. And look at that, snow mountain. Snow mountain, got lake, you know, Chinese know 有山有海. Yeah. Okay, so we're just stopping to take photos and then we'll be on our way again. Yep. Okay guys, so we are en route to Queenstown and then we found this lookout. So this is what we see. Can you see the view? Oh my god, it's so amazing. Yeah, so we are still en route. Queenstown is that way. So yeah, we are hoping to reach by about 4 lah. So we'll see how we go.
Okay guys, now this is the route to Queenstown. As you can see, it's very scenic. Yep. We're next to some deciduous forest earlier.
Look at the view though. The mountain top, the lake, the empty roads. It's the dream, man. Okay guys, we just reached Queenstown and we checked into the YHA hostel thingy lah. Okay, then we also exchanged our passes for the skiing thing tomorrow. So for now we are looking for food to eat. Okay, a few things are when we reach here. The parking from the hostel is really freaking far. Okay, so we just decided that okay, we will just pack whatever we need lah. And then the thing is, the hostel, right, like it gave us the same feeling as yesterday when we were in Milford lah. Like the room is stuffy and all. I mean, it's just to crash lah for the night. So and cheap lah, so not complaining much. But Haya say like Haya and I both say like got the same feel. I just want the GTFO from here as soon as possible.
Guys, the room smells like 50-year-old sweat.
Yeah, so it's like we are tired and we want to rest, but then the room is stuffy AF.
It smells like sweat.
And like it's really a bit hard lah. Yeah, so it's just chop faster, finish today's skiing, tomorrow skiing, and then like the next day the bungee jumping, then just kin zao already to be honest. And then yeah, like such is life . Okay guys, so what you are seeing is like the the lake part of like Queenstown, and then this is like their streets so it's really quite fancy, but Hai and I are not in the mood like honestly so far like okay cause huh, what?
Don't be fooled.
Yeah. Yeah, Haya says don't be fooled like okay we haven't experienced Queenstown yet, so okay, so we don't want to say much, but first impressions wise, right, compared to the past few days, okay, we have been to Dunedin, Milford and here. Dunedin is so far the best city. Dunedin got nothing, but it's by far the best. Like the shit. Yeah, man. Okay, so a bit of renting, and then like yeah, we are just walking here thinking about life. Why we make these decisions to screw us over. We even have half the mind to leave Queenstown early, like one day earlier, and like hack the one night stay at the
China Dome.
at the top, just to get the hell out of here, no? Yeah, seriously. So yeah lor. Screw our lives seriously screw our lives. Guys, so we are queuing up for Fuck Burger. It's this very famous burger place, apparently only in Queenstown. So yeah, there's like freaking a lot of people, and then it's a bit pricey lah, but then since only Queenstown has, so let's try lor. We'll show you what it looks like later. So this is the queue from the outside. Yeah, it's quite insane and this is just the queuing to buy. So now the number is like 35, and then mine is 92 So we'll wait about another 20-25 minutes for calling them. But this is the place if you're looking out for it in Queenstown. Yeah, a bit pricey, but since only Queenstown has, then try off. We'll show you what it looks like later. Okay guys, so I got my burger, and this is what the burger looks like. It's really quite big. I got like this curry butter chicken, like it's a bit gross, but yeah, this is what I got. So shall I try and let you guys know. Okay guys, the China. Okay guys, so we are back at the hostel, and then this is pretty much it for today. No, I'm recording. Tomorrow we are going to do the skiing, then for pretty much the whole day. So yeah, catch you tomorrow. Please make sure to like and subscribe.